in the tutorial, we will have to recreate the homepage of Dribble. So to do that, we have to know exactly what are the different dimensions of each component of the Dribble.com homepage. To know that, we'll use a tool called Developer Tool in Safari. You also have that in Chrome, by the way, in Google Chrome. You can have the same functionality in Firefox using the add-on called Firebug. You have everything in the documentation of this tutorial. So to activate the developer mode in Safari, you have to go to the preferences of Safari. Then in the advanced tab, you have an option here called develop menu in the menu bar. So you need to click on it and to activate that. Once it's activated, you can right click on your home page and select inspect element. That will load a panel here that you can actually stick to the footer of your Safari by clicking on that icon, and you can minimize the window too. It's a little bit tricky to do it, but well, it works. And now you have to click here, and by clicking here you can actually mouse over any element of the page, and it will highlight it in a blue rectangle. You can see that next to the blue rectangle there are the dimensions of each element that you select, basically, with the CSS class that is attributed to that element. So if you want, for instance, to know the dimension of the header, you just have to go to the header here, and now you know that the header has a width of 940 pixels and a height of 59 pixels. It's as simple as that. If you want to know, for instance, the size used for that typography here, you have to mouse over it, then to click on it, and you go to Computed Style here, and you can see here there is a font size of 16 pixels. And you can know everything that is on the web page by doing that. Like what is the color used, what is the font size, what are the margin applied to that element, and so on. It's very, very useful, and we'll use that a lot in this first tutorial.